Let's proceed with decorating the roof. In this stage, we will create chimney caps for the air vent. First, we will transfer the top slab to the roof layer. Second, hide the roof and floor slab of the second floor. Transfer the 3 walls that were previously modeled to the air vent layer. Then extrude each of them upward by 1,400 millimeters, using any convenient tool. Now let's add chimney caps to the air vent. You can use any of the previously discussed modeling methods. You may either create the model independently or follow the steps from the lesson. Let's isolate our objects. Draw a contour along the perimeter of the top face of the air vent. Using the offset command, create 2 additional contours. An outer contour at a distance of 5 millimeters and an inner contour at a distance of 50 millimeters. Delete the first contour. Move a copy of the inner contour upward by 350 millimeters. Then create 2 rectangular profiles on the sides, measuring 150 by 300 millimeters. Turn off the air vent layer. Extrude the side profiles by 350 millimeters and the main contour by 10 millimeters. Switch to the front view. Draw a rectangle with dimensions of 115 by 10 millimeters. Pull one of its edges downward by 40 millimeters. Let's hide some elements so that they don't interfere with us. Select the created profile, then specify the top contour as the path. Show previously hidden items. Move the resulting element upward by 10 millimeters. Create 2 copies and position them below at distances of 120 millimeters and 240 millimeters. Use a 3D box tool to close the top part of the chimney cap. After completing the modeling, move all created solids to the vein layer and create block from them. Copy the chimney caps to the second air vent and rotate it by 90 degrees. For the last air vent, create the chimney caps yourself. At this stage, all the main elements of the cottage are completed. In the next lesson, we will move on to refining the visual aspects of the model.